Well, after blowing 8 fuses and trying to figure out the settings because we don't have the owner's manual to it anymore, we got her working. 121 volts, true RMS, 60 hertz. So yeah, 121 volts. Right now I'm just providing it 100 amps. So I could probably run something on it, but not much. It seems to be happy. So there we go. We got her working. She's not blowing fuses and tripping breakers in the back up there all the time. She was tripping those 2 breakers, and I went through 8 fuses. Well, they're all over there. So after we got all the problems straightened out and all the literal bugs that were in it, you know, and some bad traces taken care of, she seems to be happy. Turn power off. There we go. Alright. 4,000 watt Ames true sine wave inverter is now functional. I just got to clean up the inside of the cover, put some zip ties on those lines, put her back together, and call it done. Catch you later.